Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my second video of cloud computing fundamentals. Today I'll discuss about cloud models. So here there are two types of cloud models. One is service-based models and the second one is deployment models. I have discussed the service-based models in my last video. If you haven't watched it, request you to please go and watch it. And in this video I'll discuss more about deployment models. So basically there are three types of deployment models. First one is public cloud, the second one is private cloud, and the third one is hybrid cloud. So I will discuss each one of them in my video. So please stay tuned and watch this video till end. So let's go to my laptop screen and I discuss and explain all three of them. Alright, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Alright, we have come to my laptop screen now. So as discussed previously, I have told you that there are two types of cloud models, which is service-based models, one, and the second one is deployment model. There are three types of service-based models, which IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. And in deployment models, there are three types of deployment models as well. One is public cloud, second one is private cloud, and third one is hybrid cloud. So now we will discuss one by one. In this video, I will discuss more about deployment models, which is the public clouds, private clouds, and hybrid cloud. I have made the video discussing the service-based models, which is IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS in my last video. Please check it out. So let's go and discuss about. So in public cloud, this is basically hosted by the Azure or Amazon Web Services or Google Cloud platform. So this is a third party one. It is hosted by the third party and also operated by the third party. Anyone can use it. Anyone is allowed to host the services there. Host the services means anyone can create a VM or anyone can create any storage or any host any databases over there or any application servers. So anyone can host their services in their public cloud. So it is available for all. It's for generic people. Alright. So this is all about the public cloud. Let's go for the private cloud. It's an on-premise cloud. Means if anyone owned a particular data centers, it is basically the environment in which all the hardware and software resources are dedicated exclusively to a single business or any organization. It is owned and managed by them. Where it is located? It is located at the data center in their physical premises of that particular business, and as it is hosted in their premises means the maximum control of the infrastructure is provided to them. And the Microsoft Azure stack. So this is kind of service provided by the Microsoft. This is private cloud offering from Microsoft. So Microsoft provides this service to them. Like if someone wish to take this, some organization or business wish to take the service from Microsoft, which is Azure Stack, Microsoft will go to their premises and set up all the data centers over there. So this is how it is. This is the private cloud. Next, we will be discussing about the hybrid one. So what is hybrid cloud? Hybrid cloud is a mixed environment of private and public. So you can see that in this particular picture. The hybrid cloud is basically mixture of private and public cloud. Also some sort of traditional infrastructure. So all three of them are coming to the hybrid cloud. Means if any company wish to keep some sort of services in public cloud, some sort of services in private, and some sort of services in the traditional infrastructure one. Suppose, so this is how it is. This is hybrid cloud. So basically, you can see that this is the public cloud like Amazon Web Services, Azure and all, and this is private cloud. Private cloud means it is hosted in premises. This is the communication between public and private cloud. So this is hybrid cloud. So now let's go to differentiation. Yeah, you can see that this is the private cloud versus public cloud versus hybrid cloud. So here we can see the scalability. The scalability is very high in public and hybrid cloud, but in private cloud is limited because this is hosted and owned by a single organization, and they are using this by their own. Next one is reliability. So reliability is very high in private because the whole control belongs to them. And the security one. So security is totally depends on the service provider of public cloud. And over here, the high class security means the whole data center is hosted by them, so it provides high class security. Now comes to the performance issue. The performance is in public cloud is low to medium, private cloud is good, and hybrid is good. And the cost effective. The cost is cheaper in public cloud because it is the pay per view or something like that. You can pay per view, pay per using the services. So in private cloud, the cost is high. In hybrid cloud, it is also costly. So let's go for the examples. Examples one, which is Amazon EC2, Google, Azure and all. Private cloud is VMware, Microsoft, KVM, Zen, and hybrid one is IBM, HP, VMware, vCloud and all.
Alright, thanks for watching my video. I have tried to cover almost all the topics of cloud models. Hope you guys like my video well. So now if you have any queries or any doubts, please reply me on the comment box. I try to check all your doubts. Okay. And please do support me like you have supported in my last video. So please do support me in this video too. All right. And I'll try to make new videos related to cloud computing, PowerShell or something else. Okay. Also, I'll share my own IT experience with you so that it will be a very much guidance for you guys who are a fresher or who are preparing for getting a job or getting placed in IT. So till then, take care and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Alright, bye bye, happy learning.